is Iceberg the right technology for all the data in your sort of lakehouse architecture, or do you think there should be a mixture? Uh, I'm probably biased, but I'm also going to try and be objective here, which is to say I think Iceberg's great for everything. It doesn't mean that you have to use it, but I do think it is designed to be generally applicable. Like there will always be like niche use cases where you have very niche requirements where you need something more specialized. But in terms of generally speaking, for the vast majority of your analytic data sets, Iceberg's great. I mean, you saw the PuppyGraph folks, like they're running, and he didn't give a demo, which he should have. I've seen it. It's amazing. Like graph queries, typical like historical graph queries. We had to have very specialized storage and compute working together. Now working on top of just plain vanilla Iceberg tables, you can bring some Iceberg table you have and you say like, oh, this represents my nodes, this is my edges. You like let PuppyGraph go, and it's fantastic the performance you get out the other side. And so I do think like sort of a proof point that Iceberg's a great generalized storage form for analytics. I'm honestly surprised how well it's done in its performance as it's been adopted by even commercial engines. Right? We see this time and time again where commercial engines with their proprietary formats, sure, of course they perform great. They should, they ought to, they're engineered to. But when they can get very similar performance characteristics on Iceberg tables, again, I think it's another proof point that it's just a good generalized solution to the problem.